Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. Android car radio, more advanced than ever before, features a responsive, powerful, and intuitive touchscreen user interface that is easy to use and highly customizable. Clearly, our UI is designed specifically convenient for driver. Tune into your favorite radio stations. The AM/FM tuner can be preset to 30 stations, with the voice recognition dialing and phone book function. Three-channel dash cam, f1.8 wide aperture allows superior images, be it day or night. Proprietary focal length technology facilitated by 6-glass wide-angle lens helps in capturing smaller details like number plates with more accuracy even in low light. 24 hours parking monitor only works on an external power source. If someone hits your car and impact reaches the G sensor level. Auto current tester multimeter, high quality. It is characterized by fast measurement speed and high accuracy. It is very easy to use and can check the current through the car fuse. Ideal for fault finding on automotive or commercial vehicle electrical circuit. Bikers Bluetooth intercom. Support up to 6 to 10 bikers to talk at one time. Support music sharing, Bluetooth V5.0, hands-free speaker, and hi-fi stereo sound quality. CVC DSP noise reduction functions well even 120 km/h. Built-in FM radio and 6 FM stations presets. Support Siri or other voice assistant. Connect GPS navigation. Support universal pairing with most Bluetooth intercom. IP67 waterproof. Car small hooks. Decorative small hooks inside the cartoon car. Mini, compact, simple and stylish. High quality materials, safe and tasteless, can maintain the new brightness after long-term use. Different animal styles can also be used as car interiors. Meet your multiple needs. Car dashboard non-slip grip pad. This pad is made of silicone material, and it is multifunction. It can be phone holder and anti-slip for GPS, accessories, phone number plate, card storage, and much more. Cars Air Freshener, concise fashion, noble and elegant tradition, without losing fashion. Harmless to human, can be used by babies and pregnant women. No alcohol added, fire prevention, no harmful chemicals added, healthy and harmless. Deodorize, aldehyde removal. The fragrance fills the car space, with silicone pad prevent slipping. Car mirror dash cam with GPS, 11.88-inch full-touch IPS screen. It supports split-screen display. You can observe the front and rear camera at the same time, bringing you a safer driving experience. Dash cam comes with GPS. It can records the driving trajectory and speed accurately for you to view later. You can accurately check vehicle location, speed, route on Google Maps through dash cam player. Fake eyelash sticker. Fake eyelash sticker for smart cars. Suitable for all smart cars. Eyelashes can be shaped to any curl, occasion, wedding celebration, travel, daily, etc. Car cable tester. This instrument is designed to identify and trace wires or cables without damaging the insulation. You can also use it to check short circuit and locating open circuit and so on. There are a sender and a receiver included in the instrument. Car child safety seat. High-strength polyester seat belts. Pressure does not break. No bending. No deformation. Memory cotton cushion. Hips hard plastic shell. High tensile spring steel. Plastic fixed buckle. R. Universal wrench tool. Reliable sleeve hanging design. Protect the socket head from wearing and falling into the maintenance space. Quick release mechanism. Quick stripping function. Anti-rust. Wear. Overall hardening. Made of chrome molybdenum steel for durable and strength. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.